Today, in the time of vulnerability, monetary security and the speed of exchanges are vital for the development of economies. At last, everything reduces to a carefully designed and profoundly secure system that could be useful to store and re-establish all information on the blockchain-empowered stage, where exchanging could be worked with alongside quicker installments and exchanges, and all dispensing with the job of delegates, a consequence of hard and faultless work. The outline of Torrential Slide, a seed thought that was conceptualized by Cornell specialist Emin Gunsayer in September 2020, basically putting together the stage with respect to blockchain calculations principally to resolve the issues of sped-up, decentralization, and security. With this sort of strong blockchain innovation, the Torrential Slide network will go about as a critical power supporter demonstrating progressive in the realm of installment, as an impetus to empower fast-fire exchanges in the worldwide installment environment. Torrential Slide will carry extremist change to fund. Torrential Slide environment is completely viable with Ethereum resources, applications, and devices with quicker speeds, higher throughput orders, and lower charges. It is an umbrella stage for sending off DeFi applications, resources, exchanging, and different administrations for blockchain designers. It permits anybody to send off or exchange any type of resource and control it a decentralized way utilizing brilliant agreements and other trend-setting innovation. A vital contrast between Torrential Slide blockchain and other blockchain stages is its administration component. Marking rewards are dependent upon dynamic changes as the framework advances. Torrential Slide, the innate potential. Without a doubt, the Torrential Slide blockchain has extraordinary potential and will more often than not be the most appealing digital currency, primarily for its local token, Avax, which guarantees high exchange security combined with speed scaling a trillion every second. No big surprise the always dynamic group of qualified mathematicians and cryptographers is creating and keeping up with the Torrential Slide digital money, rising as a very powerful and dynamic power. Avax will be the pick and selection of merchants, particularly in light of the fact that it has gone the distance. Likewise, financial backers have found a variable of unwavering quality implanted in this token. The badge of Avax capabilities as a prizes and installment framework for clients, being recorded on famous computerized money trades like Coinbase and Binance. Avax offers its dealers a protected and reliable stage, empowering lesser charges and a plenty of advanced resources for single out from. Torrential Slide stage has likewise marked a settlement with different environments like Chainlink, Bilira, and so forth, taking its forceful mechanical drives to a higher level. The essential objective behind organizations is to fabricate a compassionate local area around the world, subsequently making an equivalent, reasonable, and decentralized world. Aside from these discussions, Avax has made further advancements in its organization and its acknowledgement all over the planet. On June 10, 2022, Japan's top crypto trade OKCoin recorded Avax. Merchants and financial backers are good to go for the recipe erase end of the week. Aside from this, the Torrential Slide establishment has likewise sent off Multiverse. This new motivating force program will uphold new biological systems, NFTs, DeFi, as well as institutional use cases. Adding to this rundown, Kalau has likewise held hands with Avax to assemble items for NFT merchants and makers. This will assist them with encountering NFTs in new frictionless and easy ways. In conclusion, one of the greatest reconciliation is that of Chainlink Guardians and Chainlink YRF coordinating with the essential Torrential Slide organization. This combination will be useful for the token as it will decrease the responsibility and improve the uptime and security of the brilliant agreements. The market opinions administer digital currencies. Thus Avax is no exemption. In view of verifiable information and specialized examination, there are many hypotheses proceeding for the Torrential Slide coin. All specialists have different Torrential Slide expectations to make through and through. In view of a Avax cost conjecture, a drawn-out increment isn't normal. The cost visualization for long-term end is $1.36. They accept that your ongoing speculation might be downgraded from now on. The Torrential Slide cost expectation brings expect combining patterns that point towards the way that there is potential for the Avax value that might show a higher feeling. The cost could cross $126.92 toward 1 year's end. Shows toward the finish of 2022, the cost of Torrential Slide will be around $22.76. The most extreme and least costs for 2023 might be around $55.84 and $49.55 individually. Their Torrential Slide cost expectation shows that toward the finish of December 2025, the cost might be $128.39, as per our Torrential Slide cost expectations. The future cost could arrive at somewhere near the $56.35 mark in the following a year, making it a productive venture. The torrential slide cost is estimated to reach $21.69 by the start of December 2022. The normal most extreme cost is $27.12, with a base exchanging cost of $18.44. Torrential slide cost expectation for multi-month end are $21.69. The digital money value forecast is dependent upon the exhibition of the particular symbolics foundation, its progressions, and the whole crypto market status. One can never know the specific future exhibition of any token. That being said, specialized examination, AVAX expectation, and different perceptions take care of business as a guide all the while. The ongoing cost of a VAX is $18.43, with a market capitalization of $5,408,967,424. The 24 hours exchanging volume of the AVAX token is $381,292,309, with a flowing stock of $294,713,816.16 AVAX on the lookout. AVAX digital money is hugely dependent on decentralized applications remaining in front of other state-of-the-art advances and the current decentralized blockchain networks. The torrential slide figure is absolutely subject to cryptographic money market development. A blast time for torrential slide drives the value figure to remain substantial on this record before very long. Made by Avalanche, this coin has gone the distance, so it is vital to realize that torrential slide's cost rise is sure before long. Notwithstanding, carry out your own groundwork to measure your gamble resistance. Torrential slide value expectation 2022. Until the end of the year, the base cost and most extreme cost are supposed to be $20 and $39 individually, as per our AVAX cost expectation 2022 and specialized examination. Simultaneously, the typical cost might be $29.50 with a difference in 95%. Torrential slide value forecasts November 2022. The AVAX cost gauge organized by our specialists recommends that the coin will exchange a scope of $28 to $32 in November 2022. The previous is supposed to be the base worth, while the last option is the greatest worth. Torrential slide value expectation for December 2022. Our AVAX cost expectations uncover that the coin will have a base, most extreme, and normal cost of $33, $39, and $35.50. Separately, torrential slide value expectation 2023. In light of our torrential slide cost expectation for the approaching year, the AVAX coin might have least and most extreme costs of $42 and $55 separately. The adjustment of the cost is supposed to be around 30.95%, with a typical cost of $48.50. Torrential slide value expectation 2024. As per torrential slide cost expectation, it is assessed that the coin exchange between the scope of $60 to $73, where $60 is the base exchanging cost and $73 is the greatest cost. Simultaneously, there are a couple of suspicions that the AVAX coin might have a typical cost of $66 and